Hello, this is David Deshane from the Roofing Business Blueprint and this professional website builder program. I'm here today with my business partner, James Nelson. Welcome, James.
Hi, guys. How are you?
And we're going through, and we're going to go ahead and go through this program and show you guys one of the most impressive website building software programs I have ever seen. It's incredible. James is going to walk you through everything. It's going to show you how you can really design these beautiful websites in just minutes with no programming skills. It's absolutely incredible. Anyway, here we go, James. Go ahead and take it away, sir.
Thank you, Dave. Yeah, we've been working on this for the last couple months. It's a really, really great tool. It's got pretty much everything you need to create a roofing website in just literally minutes. Even if you've never done it before, even if you have used other software before, this is going to be a really simple and straightforward way for you to expand your online presence and really get the leads and customers that are searching for you online. We tried to build the program as simple as possible. There's options for all areas of your website, control the color and theme, like things like that. But it also sets all these pieces up automatically, so you don't need to struggle and figure out how the whole system works before creating a website. Once you log in the first time, you can get your first website up and running in under 5 minutes. But you can also go back and edit websites and make changes, make new websites all the time. The great thing is you don't need any coding experience, you don't need any design experience. Even if you're a new roofing company that doesn't have things like logos and text about your company, this program will automatically generate those things for you, so you don't have to find roofing pictures, things like that. We've got great sets of stock photos, all kinds of things. The software automatically builds all the meta information and content for all the pages. You can instantly download the website or automatically upload it to one of our keyword targeted domains. The important thing about this great new program is it's all one-click editing. You want to change the color or layout or fonts on your website, change out the articles, use different photos. You have access to all kinds of stock photos and stock videos that we've created. You can link up your Google Analytics account. You can link it to your Roofing Estimator Pro account. And the best thing is all the details, all the little pieces of code are just automatically created. You don't have to worry about copying and pasting or fumbling around on the software trying to get your website built. So basically, I'm just going to take you through the actual software piece by piece. I'm just going to set up a new account and create a website. Show you guys not only how easy it is, but also how much control you can have of the different aspects. So, when you buy the Roofing Business Blueprint website builder, you'll automatically receive a login and password. And so for now, I've just set up a demo account for us to check out. And you just log in. If you ever have any problems, we also have a support section which you can check out. So now you're automatically logged into the dashboard. As you can see, we have 0 campaigns, 0 websites. So the first thing we're going to do is create our first campaign. New campaign. What a campaign is sort of a set of rules that you can create multiple websites under. So I'm going to create my imaginary first campaign for just my primary website. So here's the information I already set up: Demo Roof Company, New York, New York, your email and things like that. You want to pick your default color. Let's go with blue. That looks good. And create our first campaign. As you can see, here the information you just entered is here, all ready to go. You can always go back at any time and edit that and make changes. But now we get to the real meat of the program, which is, of course, the website creation. So now that you have your first campaign, we can create our first website. So I'm just going to call this Demo Roof Website. If you have multiple campaigns set up, then you would select the appropriate one. In this case, we only have one campaign, so it's automatically selected. Now we create a new website, and that'll hop us over to the website builder page, the actual where you build and control all the settings for each website. Click here. As you can see, automatically, even with just basic information, we've already got all kinds of great stuff included in the website. Articles, free estimates, service areas, contact, keyword information, high quality stock photos, and even content. Demo Roof Company knows how your roof is a big investment financially speaking. However, it is a big investment time-wise, etc., etc. This type of content, even though it's sometimes repeated on multiple sites, it's using your name and area location, so it targets the keywords for not only search engines, but for your customers to let them know where you work. We've got all kinds of settings up here, and so it might seem a little daunting at first, but you don't have to go through and edit every single setting. That's the great thing, is from the start, it's already set up. If I wanted to right now, I could stop and just export this website. It would be ready to go online right now. But we want to do a few little customizations. I also want to show off, what you can create with this software. So basic information about your website, content, what you want on the home page, if maybe you have a tagline that you want to add for your company. Maybe you have custom logos, custom YouTube video, autoresponder code, and analytics code like Google Analytics or any JavaScript-based code. You can insert in here, and it'll be automatically included in your website. Color. We have these quick color themes right here. You can just change the entire color of your website instantly. Boom. It's that easy. But you also can change the individual colors. These are called hex codes. They're used to identify colors on the internet. If you've ever worked with website software before, then these might look familiar to you. They're basically just the computer's way of identifying different colors. So you can go online and find a color picker, and you can match your exact business colors. If you use a certain shade of orange for your business, you might want to match it exactly. But you also can just, get it pretty close with a single click. And you can switch this at any time. It's obviously very easy. Another aspect is the theme and fonts on your website. We have a bunch of basic fonts here that you can use. It automatically picks some good looking ones for the site, but you can change these at any time. If for some reason you need a custom font added to your site, you can let us know and we can probably get it included. But this gives you a pretty wide variety of fonts and information. Updates instantly. You can see how everything looks with the new font. Images. We have a variety of stock photos, which are great. They're not only high-res images, but they're also high-quality images. We have just generic stock photos, which you can see some of these below. Pictures of houses and roofs and things like that. If you use CertainTeed or GAF shingles, you also have access to their high-quality roofing photos, which are even better than the basic stock photos. You update that, you get access to those new photos, those beautiful new shingle roofs down there. You also can change out the header images for the website, no problem. If you want a picture of a roof line instead of shingles, it's all kinds of, these are CertainTeed and GAF high-res images also. You can also work with custom headers, which is a great thing. If you have a logo or something you want to use as a background image, you can paste the link right there, update, got some clouds back there. That's just an example. Can always go back to the shingles. It's just that easy. It's all just one click. You change the colors, you change the images. It's very straightforward, very easy to do. Settings. You'll see some familiar settings from your campaign. This is just the basic information about your company. This is not only how customers will contact you, but information from the site will be used. For example, estimates will be sent to this email address. Your phone number will be listed on your contact page along with your address, and this is used for things like showing Google Maps of your location and showing how you can be reached at your company. The title of your website is obviously what appears right here. So, for example, if you wanted to enter a custom header logo without any text, you could take out the header completely. And go back to images, if you like, and paste back in a custom header. So now, you can use your custom header entirely. It's up to you. It doesn't look bad at all. But we're going to go back to the regular shingle one for now. Add this text back in, demo roof website. So then you have a list of keywords and cities that you work in. This is used to help target search engines even closer. As you can see down here, it lists your service areas and some keywords down below. So what you want to do is edit these keywords and towns, cities specifically for what you're going to do. So you might add in other cities that you work in, as well as other keywords. If you want to target a certain type of hail damage, or roof leaks, or roofing repairs in New York, you can add all those keywords right there. It not only adds them to your service areas down here, but hail damage, roof leaks in New York, all those keywords are added to your site. That's really great for when Google's looking around, you know, it sees all these keywords, and it's going to build more targeted websites. So you can leave it more generic. You can just target your whole state, or you can target just certain keywords, certain cities with each site you build. We get over to build settings. This is basically some extra settings about how the website is built before it's ready. You have a tracking code, which we haven't built a tracking code yet, so I'm going to show you that in just a minute. REP connector. If you have the Roofing Estimator Pro web-based software, you can actually connect your websites directly to that, so estimates are automatically added to the software, but also scheduled in your online appointments. Customers can be automatically created, all that great stuff. There's a couple other options for sharing buttons, Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, email. These are all really great for getting customers to not only link back to you, but also contact other people they know about your business. On the right side, we have a few extra options about what pages you want to be built. We suggest building all of them, but it's up to you. The city, keyword, and article pages are all optional. So what this does is, as we were talking about before, you have an article page. It randomly includes some basic articles. Find the best New York roofing company, roofing material options in New York, hail damage and storm damage repair info. Those are all great articles, and they not only include your business name, but they automatically include your local working area, so they're targeted for you already. Service areas, you can add as many cities as you like, and it'll list them on your service page. You can also obviously not build the page at all up here. And the keywords, it also just lists those on the service page for extra keyword targeting and extra search engine optimization. Finally, we have the export settings. Obviously, any site you can build, you can download a zip file instantly of the site you see right here. So if you were happy with this design and layout, video, and everything, you can click here, download the whole thing instantly. You can also name your site. Say I want to target New York hail damage. Now you click show upload options, and basically it's going to give you not only what your site title will be, which it just is sort of like a URL. It takes out the spaces and makes it lowercase, but you can still target any keywords you want. Below you have a list of the websites that are available for instant upload. We're adding more domains all the time, so you can select the one which not only applies to you the most, but maybe the one that you like the name of. So New York hail damage, that would go good on roofrepairsforshingleroofs.com. And so you click this, and it'll actually instantly upload it to this site, which is really great. It means if you've never built a website before, if you've never used an FTP program to upload or edit a website, that's fine. You're just go in here. It's one click. You enter your website name. You click here. Give it a second. Look at that. Uploaded successfully. Click here to view your site. The site is live and online instantly. This isn't a preview you're seeing anymore. This is a live website online with your information, your content, your keywords, your service areas, New York roofing contractor articles. It's got your company name included, built into the article with extra images and things like that. It's great. So now I'm going to take you back to the builder for a second, just so we can look at a few more things. Let's head back to the dashboard and talk about tracking for a second. You go in here, and basically, if you've built a website before, you've heard of analytics, Google Analytics, other programs like that. They're used for tracking visitors to your website. One of the most important things after getting the website online is knowing who's visiting and why and how long they're staying, what keywords they're looking for, things like that. We suggest using a free program like Google Analytics because it provides a lot of information about your visitors, where they're coming from, how long they're staying. But you can also just, if you don't have a Google account, you can create a tracking code right through our software, which will just give you basic information about your visitors. So I'm just going to name this Demo Roof Website because that's the site I'm going to attach it to. And now we've created a tracking code. As you can see over here, we've had 0 visitors this month. That's just because we just created the code. So if we go back to the website builder, edit, we're back to this screen. You go to the build settings again. Instead of no tracking, we're going to select the one we just created, which is Demo Roof Website. Update preview. And now we're going to go to export it again. Let's export this as New York Roofing. And let's try uploading it to greenbuildingcontractortips.com. So give it a second. Uploaded successfully. We can check out that site now. Again, this isn't a preview, this is live online instantly. You can send this link to your customers, you can start getting traffic from a search engine instantly. It's done and ready to go. So what the tracking code does though is now it's installed and live. So we go back to the dashboard over here, check out that tracking code again. As you can see, it's turned green, successfully installed, and it's already tracking visitors. 1 visitor. That was us just now. We can refresh the page a few more times and go back to the dashboard. 3 visits, 1 visitor. It's basic tracking so you can see how each of your sites are doing if you are launching them. The other part that it works similar to tracking is REP Connector. If you have Roofing Estimator Pro web-based, you basically create the connector code the same way as the tracking code, except you include your name, domain, and your username and password for Roofing Estimator Pro. I'm just going to put in test information to show you how it works as well. Create a connector code. And then when you build your website, estimates will automatically be sent from this form, not only to your email address, but they'll automatically be added to your Roofing Estimator Pro account at the same time, which is really great. It not only saves you the steps of having to enter the information, but it allows customers to schedule appointments and more. Finally, the last thing we're going to look at over here is the Sync tab. What this does is it actually syncs your business information with our online roofing directory, which has about 100,000 roofers already in it. So what you do is sync it up like that. It's that easy. You can change your basic business information at any time. If your phone number or you want to use a different email address for estimates, automatically creates this directory listing. So Demo Roof Company, New York, New York. Obviously, it's not a real listing, but it's there for your customers to find. They can schedule appointments, find more information about roofers, read articles, everything. So you get this targeted directory search, not only by state, but by keyword, so your customers can find you on multiple sites across the internet. The last tab we didn't really talk about was just your basic settings. This is when you create new websites, new campaigns. It just uses this information. This won't usually change because it's your main business location. But if you ever need to, that's where you find it. Finally, the Listings tab keeps track of all your uploaded websites. We just created these two and uploaded them, so they're not only live, but you can visit them at any time, view more about them. Got hail, you targeted this website for hail damage. You got hail damage articles and keyword links all over the page. It's going to be great for search engines, but also your customers are going to be able to find you if they're looking for hail damage repairs. Yeah, so that's pretty much the tour of the builder. We're always going to be adding little pieces here and there, so it's just going to get better. But you can, as you can see, you can create a website in under a minute from a new account, but you can also sit here and customize all the different pieces, get it exactly the way you want, get exactly the targeted keywords that you want for each site, and launch them instantly. So,
wow, James, that's incredible, man. That's a great system. No, really, you've done quite a job building this, and anyone that has a chance to get a copy of this is really going to be way out ahead of the locals. Really a quality job. Really impressed with everything. All the functionality of the site is really incredible, James. You did a great job. Yeah, if you guys don't forget, you've got all the bonuses inside, plus as part of the package. Anyone that has bought any of our products is going to get at least a 60% discount. So keep that in mind as you're going through and ready to purchase. Just go ahead and click on the buttons that are provided. And again, we'll double check everything to make sure you are one of our customers. And make sure to sign up with the opt-in list, which puts you in the list of priority guys. So anyone that has any more information and we get any of this new system updates, you're going to get that automatically. But James, you did a great job. Appreciate everything. Nice work.
Yeah, thank you. I think it'll be an amazing tool for people who have built websites, and if you never have, it's going to be even better.
Just as a backlinking tool to all their main websites. No, I think you're right. You nailed this. This is a great package. All right, James, we'll let them go. Appreciate it, guys. Thank you very much for your time. Don't forget, if you have any questions, you can contact us through the help desk. But James and I are always right there for you, and appreciate your time.
Yeah, thank you. See you soon.
Thanks, guys.